Good morning, class. Today we are learning how to dividing exponent. All right, to divide a term must have the same base. Okay, when dividing the base, when you're dividing the exponent, the base stays the same, and you subtract the exponent. Okay, so if you have x to the 8 divided by x to the 4th, so you subtract the exponent, the top subtract to the bottom. Okay, keep this in mind. Doesn't matter. Sometimes the top will have smaller number exponent, but we still do the same way. Okay, top subtract to the bottom. So you got x to the 4th, get 8 subtract 4 is 4. The first problem right here, we have 2, 6, which is 1/3. We simplify the coefficient. X to the 7th divide x to the 5th. So you take 7 minus 5. You got x squared. All right, number 2. 12 over 3. You got 4. X to the 1st subtract divide by x to the 5th. So we have 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. And then y to the 4th divided by y squared. You got y squared because 4 minus 2 is 2. Z squared divide z, you got z. Okay? Now x to the power of negative 4, you have to turn them into the positive, right? Because you cannot leave your answer as negative exponent. So we're going to do the reciprocal, which is bring it down to the bottom and make it positive. And the rest is all positive, so we keep it for the numerator. Y squared times z. All right, 6 over 36 simplify to 1/6. X, negative 5 minus 5. Okay, you got x to the negative 10. Y by itself, y to the negative 1, and z will be 1 minus 2 negative 3. I mean 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, so we're gonna do the negative exponent. So put it at the bottom. So x to the 10. Don't forget we have 6, so 6 is the coefficient. Y. And then the numerator, you got z to the power of 4. Okay? That's your answer.